guys look at this airport. Some people don't believe you when you say Category 4s are just as powerful as Category 5. My point to that is you're only talking about 10, maybe 15 mile per hour wind difference, depending on what scale 4, what scale 5. I mean, this thing is decimated. Just decimated. This is a regional airport, so they'll be out of commission for quite a while. Go back over here with the guys, and lunch is over. Let's get debriefed and roll up out of here.